Hello students, welcome to my channel. This is Shantanu from ARTY KRAFTY. Today I am here with a set of guest questions for the subject painting having code number 049 along with its appropriate answers. So let's start. All these questions have been set according to the format given in sample question paper. These are the questions. This is the solved part of the given questions. In section first, these are 6 MCQs. The first one is mention the title of painting done by painter Dana of the Rajasthani school. The answer is Chaugan Players. The answer for the second MCQ is Hyderabad Sub-School. The third one is Watercolours. The fourth question is contemporary modern Indian graphic print dash depicts the concept of need for social equality. The answer is Off Walls. Ustad Fakirullah Khan is the answer for the question number 5. The question 6 says, mention the title of the painting done by the painter Abanindranath Tagore of the Bengal School. The answer is Journey's End. The section second consists of 4 questions. It says, evaluate the compositional arrangement of any 3 of the following in short in about 30 words. Saint Kabir and Raidas, Krishna lifting Mount Govardhan, Chand Bibi playing polo, Hazrat Nizamuddin, Aulia and Amir Khusro. Please refer to my videos on Mughal School and Deccan School. In section 3rd, you have to identify the name of the painting. Here it says, identify any relevant painting of the Bengal school included in your course of study comprising of the following features and explain them in that painting accordingly. The delineation of attenuated human figure with extra elongated limbs and tapering fingers which reflects the influence of the Rajasthani, Pahari and Mughal miniatures. Hence, the influence of European realism is terminated. You have to write Radhika by M.A.R. Chugtai. The second question of section 3rd is, which one of the contemporary Indian graphic artists you like the most? Write about the style, characteristics, materials, etc. of his or her work. Don't say dislike, always write I like and then the name of the artist and write about his or her artwork. In section 4th, you have to write short notes. They are Triumph of Labour, Mother and Child, Devi, Mother Teresa. Please refer to my videos on modern Indian painters, modern Indian graphic arts and modern Indian sculptures. Section 5th consists of 2 long answer type questions. You have to write it in about 200 words. The first question is, write an essay in not more than 350 words on any one of the following. A. National flag of India and the symbolic significance of its forms and the colors. You have to write the symbolic significance of the four colors saffron, white, green and navy blue, and also write the significance of the chakra along with its 24 spokes. The section B, Deccani Schools of Paintings. Write only the introduction, origin and development, characteristic features with 2 examples of paintings. For all these answers, you may go to my YouTube channel, download it from the links at the description, or WhatsApp me at my number 951-267-1910. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if there is any doubt or query, please put a note in the comment box below. See you in the next video. Bye.